Okay, guys. So right now we're going to try and make this cup on Onshape. All right. Ideally, I want you to try it by yourself. Okay, I'll put an image in Schoology so you can look at it, but we're going to make this as close as we can without having our measurements. So let me share my screen. All right, so I'm going to start by making my main base. I'm going to do it on the front plane. And I'm going to do a revolve. So I'm just going to make half the cup. I'm going to make my line here. Let's call that 1.5. And I'm on my laptop. The P doesn't work in this, or the 0. So I'm going to have to do this without zeros. All right, I'm going to make this top one 2. Just going to go ahead and connect those. And then I'm going to do my line here to here. Call that 3.5. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to revolve this so I can get my coffee cup. Let's do a revolve, select my face. Come over here. Now I've got to click this to be able to select the axis. All right, and if we look at our cup, all right, we've kind of got that shape that we're looking for. So next thing, let's make a shell. Select that top face. It's got some thickness to it, so let's change this to 0.2. And then I'm going to do a fillet. Get that top edge. 0.1 is okay. All right, let's get that inside edge. 0.1. And then let's go to the bottom and also do a fillet around that. All right, so there is our mug. Okay, so next thing, let's add our handle. Now, if we look, that front plane goes right through the middle of our cup. So we're going to build on that front plane again. Now, an issue you're going to have when you do your sketch, it's like that front plane. Now, when I do my line, I can't connect it to that cup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this. It's going to use project/convert. So if I do that, select this line right here, now it's going to project it onto the plane I'm looking at. So now when I go back and select my line, now I can attach it to that line. I'm going to come out. Let's make that 1 inch. Just going to drag that down till it looks about right. And then attach it to my line again right there. And let's make that also 1 inch. Escape. So the next thing, I'm going to use the offset. So if I click this line, this line, this line, it's going to make that offset. But if you look, that didn't fill in. All right, and if I look closely right here, those aren't connected. So I'm going to go back into my sketch and do this coincident. All right, and I'm going to select that point and that line so they connect. Now it's filled in, everything's connected. I can move on. Now, because I want it to stay centered, I'm going to do an extrude off to the right and an extrude off to the left. So extrude that face, make sure I click add 0.2. And that did not like that. don't know why it's not wanting my extrude to. Okay. So they're not actually attaching, but we're going to go on. So now let's do an extrude out this direction. All right, and let's make that 0.2. So right there, that handle looks pretty good. The only thing left to do is to make some fillets. So do these just a little at a time. Don't try and overdo it. I'm gonna do this top, make that one 0.2, just because in the mug, that one's rounded a little bit more than the rest of them. So make that 0.2. Let's do a fillet on the bottom. Make that one also 0.2. And then I'm going to do the rest at 0.1. So angling it so I can actually see those inside lines. Click that line, make that one 0.1. Fillet right there, 0.1. And now I've got that general shape. I'm going to do the fillet right here, 0.1, go around. And let's get the inside. Fillet there, 0.1. Fillet 1, and then that inside. Okay. There is my coffee mug. All right, so that it's a little customized. Let's put our name on it. Yeah, let's not. Let's just call it good right there. All right. So y'all just take a screenshot of the entire screen. Okay, make sure I can see your name up here. Just give me a view, something like this. And that is it. Y'all have a great day.